So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to disable auto complete in VS Code. So guys, if you want to disable auto complete for this guys, first of all you simply go to your setting in your VS Code. In the VS Code here you see the option of settings. In the settings section guys, go for the option of search. In the search you simply search Copilot suggestion. Co Copilot and then you type suggestion. Okay, after that guys, when you find your Copilot suggestions, so guys you simply move downward and guys here you see. Okay, so guys here you see the option of disable AI feature, so you just mark it. So guys, now read this line: disable and hide built-in AI feature provided by GitHub Copilot, including chats and inline suggestions. Okay, so inline suggestions is also the same things that autocomplete. So you just mark it, mark this, and guys you can use this way. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.